This is a typical exponential problem where we have to find the value of x when 4 to power x square minus x minus 6 is equals to 7. To solve this problem, take log on both sides of the equation with base of 4. So this becomes log 4 to power x square minus x minus 6 base of 4 equals to log 7 base 4. So this becomes x square minus x minus 6 multiplied log 4 base 4 equals to log 7 base 4. Log base 4 is equals to 1. So this becomes x square minus x minus 6 equals to log 7 base 4. Now in this equation, add 1 by 4 and subtract 1 by 4. So this becomes x square plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus x minus 6 equals to log 7 base 4. So this simplifies to x square plus 1 by 4 minus x minus 6 minus 1 by 4 equals to log 7 base of 4. So this term can be written as x minus 1 by 2 whole square minus 25 by 4 equals to log 7 base 4. So this is further simplifies to x minus 1 by 2 square equals to log 7 base 4 plus 25 divided by 4, or x minus 1 by 2 equals to square root of log 7 base 4 plus 25 divided by 4, or x equals to 1 divided by 2 plus minus square root of log 7 base 4 plus this is 6.25, which is equals to 0.5 plus minus square root of log 7 base 4 plus 6.25, as log 7 base 4 is equals to 1.40. So this equation becomes x equals to 0.5 plus minus square root of 1.40 plus 6.25, which is equals to 0.5 plus minus square root of 1.40 plus 6.25 is 7.65, which is equals to 0.5 plus minus square root of 7.65 is equals to 2.76. This gives x equals to two values. One is 0.5 plus 2.76 and another one is 0.5 minus 2.76. So x equals to, this is 3.276 and this one is minus 2.26. So we got two values for x which satisfy this equation. One is 3.276, another one is minus 2.26. This is our answer.